welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an ageless remedy, okay? A remedy that would actually make you look 10 to 5 years or 5 to 10 years younger. It is not that it's going to change your age. No, it is actually going to change your skin. It's going to help you so much to improve your skin, getting rid of all of those blemishes and age spots. So if you want to know what all of the ingredients is all about, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Now let me walk you through into this video. Alright guys, so for this 10 minutes young skin remedy, you're gonna be needing rosemary. Okay, so using rosemary on the skin would help your skin really glow and shiny. Okay, so you can actually buy this where they sell spices, because it's actually a spice, yeah, and it smells good too. So this is actually going to help increase the elasticity on your skin, and it's going to tighten up the pores on your skin. So I'm going to be pounding it to make it smooth. Alright, so I'm done pounding this, and I'm gonna be transferring it into this bowl. So I'm actually not going to be putting any water yet, because there's another ingredient that will replenish that. We're also going to be needing carrots in this remedy. Carrot is a great remedy that works wonders for the skin. It contains vitamin E, and it also helps to glow the skin. Yeah, it makes the skin super duper soft and young. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be creating this. Or you can just blend yours, okay? Just put in a little bit of water in here to get the juice out. Then I would have to be turning this into a sieve, and then making sure that we get enough juice. Okay, so this is the juice that we get, and then I'm going to be transferring that into the rosemary. So I'll be putting that into this rosemary, and then the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is milk. Now milk contains lactic acids, and it's perfect for the skin, yeah. So it's going to help to remove all of the blemishes and tighten up your pores, removing excessive oil, removing age-related problems, and it's also a great remedy for dark spots. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting 1.5 tablespoons of this milk, which is basically all of it, and then stirring this all up. Yeah, the real color here is a light pink, and it's actually really beautiful. So we're equally going to be needing to use moringa. Okay, so you can actually order moringa in an African store. That's if you're not in Nigeria or Africa. and you'll be seeing the dry moringa, okay, which is the moringa powder. It's actually very good and perfect to for this remedy, okay, and it's actually not too expensive. And then if you're around Africa or Nigeria, you can just go behind your backyard, and then moringa is everywhere. Yeah, you can use it fresh, or you can use it dried. Yeah, so I'm going to be plucking the moringa leaf into this bowl. Now after that is done, I'll equally be pounding it to get the moringa juice. So I'm gonna be pounding it. Pounding it, then I'll have to be putting in just a little bit of water to get the juice out of it. Now I'll grab a strainer, and then I would have to be straining this all out. So I'll be putting 2 tablespoons, which is obviously all of it, into the ingredients, and then I would have to stir. Now the last ingredients we're going to be needing for this is going to be yogurt. Now yogurt is great for the skin. It actually contains the lactic acid, vitamin E, vitamin C, which helps and is great for the skin. It also helps to improve the skin elasticity. We're going to be putting 2 tablespoons of that, which is all also. Yeah, so after that, then I'm going to be stirring this all up together. Better. So for this particular ingredient, you can actually apply it onto your face every day if you want to, or twice or 3 times in a week, and you're going to be loving how it's going to be on your skin. So for 10 minutes, rub this, and it smells like heaven. It smells really good too, okay? And the color is so beautiful. Yeah, so the milk in it makes it really nice. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this already. This is really nice. So you spread it evenly and generously onto your face, but if you do not have a particular ingredients that I put in this particular one, let me know at the comment section. Okay, I'm going to tell you which one you can actually skip, okay, and which one that is a must, okay, because there are some that are must and there are some that you can skip. Okay, so you rub this onto your skin generously. Okay, so after that, for this particular one, you can actually give it a scrub because it's actually a 10 minutes remedy. So you give it a little scrub. The particles of this rosemary is going to enable the scrub, but do not scrub too hard. Okay, just a little scrub. And my face is actually very smooth, and this is good. So after you scrub, then you can hold it on for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then you wash it off with normal water. Follow suit with a toilet soap, which I'll be back. Okay, so I just finished washing my face, and I love to use black African soap. Okay, you can just use any soap of your choice, but it has to be a very mild soap, okay, so that you're just not reversing all of the goodness that you've applied onto your skin. Yeah, so I'll have to be washing really well. Close my mouth. Oops. Okay, so after this, then you can actually wash this off with a normal water also, and this feels good. I love this. My skin is actually very soft and smooth. Okay, so you can go wash this off after you've washed it to your satisfaction. Then you go wash this off and you're good to go. Yeah, so that's it. Look 5 to 10 years younger with this homemade remedy. Apply it just the way I showed you and be consistent in it. Whenever it is okay for you, you can actually use it, and your skin is going to be looking ageless, flawless, and beautiful. So I would see you soon in my next video, and you have to give it time to also work. But of course, immediately you apply it, you're going to see a whole lot of improvement and difference. So that's it. I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay beautiful, and bye guys, and mwah.